Good morning! Happy Sabado! I'm getting ready. Party ni Harry today. Ang bestie ni Kuya. Try ko i-straight yung buhok ko. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nilabas tong plancha ko. And my eyebrows, nagbabakbak na siya. Nakikita ko na. Ayan. Day 4 tayo ngayon. Tuesday night ko to pinagawa. Tuesday. Yeah, so day 4 today. Same with the lips. So maglagay na ako na to. Lagyan ko din yung eyebrows ko. So my lips looks like that. Hindi man nagbabakbak yung lips ko. Maybe because nababasa siya lagi. Tapos I apply this din all the time. Papunta din namang tali ito mamaya kasi windy. Ready na si Arlo at saka si Ayla. Si Indy na lang kailangan bihisan but lagi naman siyang pinapahuli. Just in case mag number 2 siya. Excited na si Arlo sa party na to. Insert ko yung clip namin kagabi nung nag-wrap kami ng present ni Harry.
Guys, it's Harry's birthday and he told us like this. It's superhero body, but Daddy and Daddy a superhero. Please.
Okay, now do you want to show them your present for Harry?
Yeah, I'll show both of them.
Okay.
Bye!
Are you showing them too? Yeah. Oh, good job, Ate.
I will show you. Mommy,
Yeah.
so first I need tri-stick. I started saying onward, and I started writing onward, and I need tri-stack. I will show you. Hi guys. You can I make this so quickly, and I'm using these colors, black, and look at this one. This one's Monster Trucks, and this one's Spider-Man. What does this one do? This one goes there, and that one is big and pieces of trash, I think.
Okay.
But you get this one.
Alright, perfect. Alright, you gonna help me wrap it?
Yeah, I will wrap this one,
Okay.
and I will wrap this one. I wrap the tiny one first, and you wrap the big one. Okay?
Yep.
I wrap this one for the two, and that one has two too. How'd you do it?
Can I cut it first?
Okay, and let me just put the sticky tape on, Mommy.
Yeah. Just wait, okay? I need to cut it, okay?
Mama. So now I gotta fix that in the color in. Mom. Mama. Hey, Mom, you want to do it?
You wanna talk to them, Dee?
Mom.
Mom, it's Harry's. Harry, say Harry. Hold that side here, so you like this.
No. Give it.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hold it, please. Can you hold this? Yes,
Mommy,
hold
you
it.
don't give me it.
Thank you, Arlo.
No.
You're gonna hold this one for me too? Yeah, thank you. You're helping me so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Oh, thank you, baby. Yeah, you're helping
for
too.
Harry. But this go.
Yeah.
Go. Open this body one, but this one's broken.
That's okay. I'll fix that. I can tape that. Indy. No. You can't cut that. That's Harry's card. Say Harry.
Harry.
Say Harry. She's so excited. Stick it on there. Good job. Oh my gosh, Arlo, you're doing such a good job.
I did not do the dead.
Wait. I will need your help on here, so just wait, okay? Yeah.
Can you chop nails?
Oh. No, it's not my nails. Here. It's here. Be careful with that one. That's sharp. All right. Can you help me?
Okay.
Tape here? Yeah.
Okay.
Tape that part.
Okay.
Yes, please. Here. In the middle? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's okay. Thank you, Arlo.
Mom. No, my turn.
And then, yeah, your turn again. This one again. Not too long.
Okay.
This is
Now
small
I do
one.
that one.
That one. You're welcome.
I'll
Here.
put it. No, Indy. No. No.
And then we fold it, and then I will need your help again with the tape.
Okay.
You're so good at doing this. Can you help me wrap all the presents from now
Okay.
on?
I'll wrap this one to help you.
Okay.
And Harry can have the boy. Harry can have the. And Harry can have the one.
Which one do you think is gonna be Harry's favorite?
I think this one.
This
And
one?
This one.
He will like both.
Because he has,
Yeah.
because he has to be yours.
He does, doesn't he?
No, by the time
take it on.
Okay, in the middle.
Yeah, he is. Hold it on the car.
Like this. I think I need
Yeah.
this.
Good job.
I can, like here.
Like that. That was a really
Can I
good job.
please have this for a
And then I
second?
need you to tape key, please.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
you did it.
Did it. Yeah, I'm practicing.
You're practicing, yes.
This needs to be for school for me. Because we did one.
Alright, wait.
Okay. Okay, here.
Here.
Okay.
Okay. And what are you gonna say to Harry tomorrow?
Happy birthday, Harry.
Yeah, that's right. That's so good. More?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now where's the tiny one?
Uh-huh.
Where's the tiny one?
What tiny one?
Oh, there.
Yeah. You're so good at doing that now.
Yeah, they need help from you.
Yeah, I know. That's good. I need to.
Mommy, here we go.
Perfect. Alright, all done. We're almost done. So after this, we will go sleep so we can go to Harry's party early. Go tell us, Daddy, quick. Simula natanggap namin yung invitation. Wala na siyang bukang bibig kundi ang party ni Harry. Sus, ang aking eyebrows naman talaga. We're done. Nag-vacuum na si Daddy doon. Ay, laundry pala. Okay lang. Mamaya na yung laundry. We need to leave in 15 minutes. So, maaga yung party niya. 9:30. Tapos, meron kasing gymnastics si Ayla. So, magwa-one car kami. So, yung mangyayari is, drive kaming lahat papunta sa birthday ni Harry. And then, magstay ng saglit si Daddy at saka si Ayla dun. And then, they will drive to gymnastics. And then, hintayin namin sila dun sa party. Kasi, matatapos yung party 11. And gymnastics will finish at 11 as well. But then, it's only 10 minutes away from the park. So, park yung pupuntahan natin. Pag nasi-stretch mo yung eyebrows, like, nagaganon mo ba? Kate. Parang gusto mong kutkutin. Ewan, kapag ganyan, oh. Sarap kutkutin. Let's put this on. Naglagay din ako ng eyelashes. Kasi nakita ko nagbabakbak yung eyebrows ko. Sabi ko, lagay tayo ng eyelashes para kapag may kausap tayo, sana hindi sila nakatingin sa eyebrows and tumingin sila sa aking eyelashes. Kasi bakbak yarns. Sabihin nila, ano kaya nangyari sa eyebrows niya? I think hanggang red mark, bakbak pa din to. Oh, by the way, red mark natin is, agoy, apakadami. Nadami yun. Red mark natin is this coming Friday. So, 6 days from now. Agoy na pa daming giahakan ng mga kaoy. Gataan sa kadiha pa. Ang init pa naman today. Alright. And hindi ako pwede maglagay ng lip product. Yun lang. Yung ointment lang. Vitamin A and D ointment. And ganyan yung kulay niya. Oh. Hindi pa yan yung final kulay. Kasi parang, ano siya, very pale siya sa gitna. I don't know how long. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa din nare-research yung aftercare nito. What I've been doing is just like the usual, like, yung naiba lang talaga is, lagi ako naglalagay ng ointment na yan. Hindi every hour, like sabi niya. But, yun lang yung naiba. Wala akong, like, binabasa ko pa rin siya. Kasi sa eyebrows, iniiwasan ko siyang mabasa. Though nababasa pa din siya kapag naliligo ako, pero hindi ko siya nirarab, hindi ko siya tinatouch. Parang kapag nabasa lang siya, pinapat ko lang siya para madry. The lips is same as usual. Alright, I'm done. Roberto Cavalli Paradiso. Tapos na tayo. Bihisa natin si D. Oh, Thank you, Kuya.
You like real people.
Oh, thanks,
I
Bob.
like you.
You like my lips?
I don't want to taste you.
Huh?
I don't want to taste you.
You don't want to kiss me still?
I don't think I told you were yucky.
My yucky lips?
I have lipstick.
It's not lipstick.
Mama!
Yes! Hi, baby!
Look.
Papansin man kabi.
This is how mommy's lips are made.
Yeah, this is how they're made, Alo. It's not lipstick. Yung mukha niya talaga, dingiri talaga siya, oh.
Then let's kiss daddy.
Just daddy? Oh, daddy kissed me now, yeah. He kissed my lips now. Can you kiss my lips now?
No.
Why not?
I'm not your dolphin.
Okay, kiss my cheeks lang. Kiss my cheeks. How about cheeks? Come on, so we can go to Harry's party.
Only Andy.
Only kiss. Come on.
Only
Ayaw
baby.
niya pa din ako i-kiss.
Mommy, only bandage.
You don't need the bandage. Kiss mama. Alam niyo bang may bandage yan? Kasi na-sprain ang kamay niyang batang bail na yan. Where's your bandage?
My bandage is in the bin.
It's in the bin. You put it in the bin already?
No, I didn't, Daddy.
Ready, girl? Yes, so straight. Yeah.
Oh,
you pulled.
Happy.
Happy day! Oopsie! Say happy day! Happy day! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Di, sit properly. No crawling. Lucky mo na. Okay, thank you, ate. Shoes? Ayan, upo na yan siya. Shoes! I love you, pee?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Alo, do you need to pee, kuya?
I can pee already.
Okay. Ooh, so pretty, so cool.
Yeah, you have it. Maya comes in now.
Oh, you look very handsome. Oh my gosh. So guapo. You guys go in the car, go.
Okay.
Bye-bye. We're all going. Who are you saying bye to? I'm gonna pee. No, baby, don't cry. It's okay. We will go. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. I'm pretty sure.
I didn't know Harry's dad's name.
Peter.
Is it? Have you met him?
No.
Is that his name?
I got no idea what his name is.
We don't know Alo. Daddy just made that up. He doesn't know.
Hi guys, we are in the car. What playground are we going to, Mom? At Harry's birthday.
What playground is it, Daddy?
Edinburgh.
Edinburgh.
We go to Edinburgh,
Edinburgh.
and we have 5 people here, but we normally have six because of fish. Well, here's Indy. Hi. Oh, she's so cute. And here's our. There's Mom. Wait, Mom. And Daddy does drive in the. And Dad's
Are we
drive.
going to do present or not?
And we
ready.
do. So yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. And ready? Yep. And Mommy ready?
Yes.
Yes. And Daddy ready?
Ready.
Yes. And Abba ready? Yes. And everyone ready? Yay! So yeah, we go to the... Can you put the time on, Mom? 16 minutes. And I'm in the middle, and yeah. I got Oreos for Indy and Oliver, and for me.
So, Arlo, you got to carry Harry's present to him. You got to give it to him, and you got to say happy birthday.
And I told the big present, and I told the tiny present.
It's all one in one, Ilo. I typed it all. So it's all only one.
Okay,
So you carry and say happy birthday, Harry.
okay. I'll say, happy birthday, Harry!
Good job, perfect.
Yeah.
Speak loud and clear. That's all you need to do, buddy.
Like Radio Extreme?
Yeah.
Yes.
Enjoy your
Now 15, 14. Happy birthday, Harry! Here's in me. In me. Hi. Yes. Hey.
Oh, that's good.
Hi.
So if they're all lining up, like what happened to Isla's party, like what are you gonna do?
Baby.
The kid?
The kid hands out the party bag.
What are you gonna say?
Happy birthday, Harry.
Okay. Just wait for us. Wait for us.
Okay.
We're only here for a little bit.
Hey.
Hi. Indy. Hi. Bahay na pala kami guys. Tingnan itong isa. Gusto na niya umakyat. Pagod na siya. Gusto niya matulog. Indy, where are you going? Can we stay down for a little bit? Thank you, Isla. I love you, baby. Thank you. Indy! Not yet! Hi, maslide ka. Naka-socks ka pa naman. You wanna sleep, do you?
No.
What, no? Okay, say bye if you wanna sleep.
Bye-bye.
Gusto na niya matulog, guys. Bye! Isla? Sorry, ate. Can I grab my phone, please? I'm just gonna put Indy to sleep quickly. She's tired now. Say bye! Yeah, kami, Papa. Thank you, Isla. So, sambait ng ate natin. Inutusan ko siya kunin yung tubig. Tapos ngayon, kailangan naman natin umakyat pala. Say bye, ate!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Alright, on to bed, Indy.
Bye.
Come on, why noise is on? On to bed. Ay, naku guys, hindi natulog si D. Gawin ko na tong laundry. Hindi ko siya nasalang kanina. Aga natin umalis ng Sabado. That's okay. Sana one load lang to. Kaya bang one load to? Hindi na kaya ng one load lately. Lagi ako nagto-two loads na talaga. Hello? Oy, what are you doing? Put it down. Ayun niyo siya. Ayaw niya matulog. Pag natulog ka, punta kami ni Ayla sa panils kami. Sige na din. Panils kami din. Yeah, just wait, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ay, bye-bye ka ng bye-bye. Hindi ka naman natutulog.
Bye-bye.
Garap sa sabi. Ba?
Mommy, look at Aya.
Oh, again?
That's not a package.
Wow. Galing pala silang grocery, guys.
My piano.
What's that, my love?
My piano.
I got trees in the soft.
Ooh.
Mom, what's this?
I'm not sure. Let me see.
Can I open this?
Pinapatulog ko si Indy. Umalis sila. Pagbaba ko, takot na takot ako. Wala yung mga
Can I
bata.
open this?
Ha?
Open it.
Yeah, I can open it.
What is it?
Where did you guys get this? From the
Harry
party bag?
Potter.
Okay, let's open. Come on.
What is it?
I don't know. Let me check.
I don't want it. One.
Nag-grocery ang ating daddy.
One, mommy.
Yeah. Let me see. I think it's good. Maybe give Ayla some and see if she wants to open hers.
Yummy.
Is it yummy? No, it's not bubblegum. It's Luli. Ask Ayla if she wants to open hers. Have her face yours, please. So, bumili siya ng wine. Kasi may pa-cheese platter na naman kami daw. Alright. Nakatulog ako, guys. Nakanap ako. Hindi naman sinasadya. Well, pinapatulog ko si Indy. Nakatulog din ako. Tapos, nung na-realize ko, wala. Nagpunta pala ng shops to. Dali-dali ako baba ko. Wala na yung mga bata. Pero alam ko naman na dinala niya. Pero medyo, ano ka pa din, diba? Takot ka pa din. Pero yan. Tinawagan ko siya. May kadala niya yung mga bata, syempre. Ha?
Can I please have it?
Dawa.
The thing on
Oh yeah, use? Here.
I told
I have
you.
to. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
It's like agave loli, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Madami nito ha. Ang daming bags this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aalis kami ng Friday eh. Ay, naku naman talaga. Ang dami Yakult. Nakadalhin namin yung iba. Kasi 6. 7. 7 probiotic yung binili ni Daddy. Mga tuna. This.
I got marinated chicken as well accidentally.
Accidentally?
Yeah.
Ah.
Look at the old message. Here's something.
Ah.
Like a box way. I got chicken wings still, but I just got
Yeah.
marinated on that enough freezer.
May appointment pala ako. Tumawag ako sa nails ko. Ay, sabi ko, pag umuwi to ng maaga, magpapanails ako, mag-close sila ng 5. Tinawagan ko sila, and sabi nila, you can come in at 4. Oh. So, punta ako pa-nails ako, guys. Wait, sir. Ang haba na ng nails ko. Oh, you went to Woolies?
Yeah. Coles doesn't have everything.
Okay. Ayla? You wanna come with me?
Well, I'm also
Do you wanna come with me? I'll get my nails done.
No thanks.
No thanks? Okay.
what sort of business do you have? Okay. Yep. No dramas, mate. I'll wait for your message. I'll come back to you Monday.
You got green beans?
Yeah, are we on it? Green beans or not?
No.
Must be for the old message.
It's okay.
Carrots? You want carrots?
No.
Oh, that's okay.
You got the wrong message? It must have been from last week. Hala. Iba yung binasa niya. Itong dami dito. Tapos, sana wag mo na magising si D para makaalis ako in peace. So, carrots at saka yung green beans wala sa lista ko. Pero ito nasa lista ko. So, dalawang lista yung binibasihan niya. Kasi I didn't have this on the list last week. Bumili siya nga ng mga pang cheese platter. Nagpabili ako ng barramundi. Okay. Socks ni Arlo. Mga biscuit, mga cheese. Yan ata yung dinner namin tonight. Ala, kadaming carrots. Ala si Daddy. Ala, alis pa naman tayo. Hanggang Thursday lang kami eh. Mga meat na to. Lagay ko na muna to diretso. Kasi alis na ako guys. Anong oras na? Tapos walang gas. Napakadaming meat. Ano? Ano na nangyari sa shopping ng daddy natin? Ano? Alam, mayroon pa guys. Mayroon pa dito sa baba. Bakit ang dami? Oh my gosh, meron sa baba na yung pinakamalaki namin. Wait, kasi kailangan ko na umalis. So, croissant. Cashews! Ang dami namin peanuts doon. Yung binigay niya sa akin sa Valentine's Day, halos hindi ko pa nakain. So, ang dami pa doon. Okay. Alright, nandito na. Ayan na. More cheese. More cheese. Little meals. Oh my gosh, I need to go. I need to go. It's 3. Ang daming milk binili. Ayun na nga, 3 milk. And then we got this. Hala, punong-puno na yung fridge namin, guys. And yun. Feeling ko, yung iba dito, dadalhin niya din. Okay. Wala na bang ilalagay sa fridge? Alright, I need to go, guys. I need to go. I need to go, my love. Huh?
I'll take care of that.
Yeah. I put everything in the fridge, so it needs to be in the fridge. Alright, let's go. So, it is 3:51. Aabot naman ako. So, before 4 nandun na ako. Hindi naman to ganun kalayo. Parang kailan lang tayo nagpagawa ng nails. Ngayon, pa-nails na naman tayo. Alright guys, we are here. And it is 3:57. So, we are good. Alright, so I will get my toes and fingernails done. Let's go. Sana mabilis lang. Oh, this time I'm gonna try Builder Gel. Not SNS anymore. Tingnan niyo naman kasi yung kuko ko. Grabe, ang bilis, no? Has it been a month already? No, just under a month, di ba? Ang bilis niyang tumubo. Alright, let's go. All done! Same lang yung kulay ng paa at saka ng kamay. Let's go home to my family! My family. Nasarahan pa ako ng mall. Hindi naman siya mall. Ng shop. Kasi alas 5 yung closing ng shop. And it's already 5:29. Late na-close yung nail shop. Dalawa kaming lumagpas na sa 5. Ginagawa pa din nila. Pero ako yung last. But the one before me was only like 5 minutes ahead. Let's go home, people! Call Daniel.
Calling Daniel Mobile.
Bahay na tayo, guys. Diretso sa kusina. Lulutuin ko to before siya masira. Yung enoki mushroom. So, nandito na yung aking butter. Sinunod ko lang yung sa TikTok. Yung sinunod ko din last time. And then, ipiprito natin. Pandagdag sa ating cheese platter. Sarap to. Nalabas ko na, Tapos nung kinukuha ko yung cream cheese, kasi kakain sana ako nito, nakita ko yung enoki mushroom. Tapos sinanong ko si Dan, sabi niya, oh, yes. Isa lang din naman natira. Painit muna tayo. Hugasan ko lang to, ikat. And pwede na natin i-on yung ating oil. Yun na yung ating butter. Na mayroong ice. Ready na yung dinner ng mga bata. Wait, kunin ko lang yan. Malapit na guys matapos. That's the second to the last one. Nandito yung last. Tapos, ubos talaga yung butter. Oh, hi, Dee! Hi! Kakagising lang. My gosh, ang haba ng tulog niya, guys! Didi! Nagising siya malapit na mag-6. Buyag-buyag, Didi ko eh. Malab, do you wanna try the capsicum with cream cheese and chips? Hi! Oh my gosh. You look so beautiful, Didi. Baby! Kain na naman tayo nito. Masarap to ba? Yes! Aww! Yummy? Dinner is yummy. I know! Good job! Makain na siya dun eh. Kain tayo, guys. Yes! Hello, beautiful! Hmm? Inoki mushroom is ready, my love.
Yeah.
It's good try. It's good, right? Do you want me to make it some?
I don't know.
Huh?
I'll leave this one.
Okay. I told you. Yeah. Ang cute ng anak ko. Ito yung last na ginawa natin. Nagustuhan ni Dan, guys. Nabusog na siya. Ayaw na niya magsisplatter. Pero na kung isa natira.
After I've done the dishes, I'm gonna do some ice cream. Is there any dishes in there? No, Izzy's food. Can you see, does Izzy still have food in there? Can you check and if she does, bring it here, please?